Next is paragraph type question. It says that Z is the set of integers and N is the set of natural numbers. B and C, if they belong to Z and N belongs to natural number, are such that B and C when divided by N, we get the same remainder. Then we say that B and C are congruent with respect to modulo N. And we denote them as this one. So let's solve this question. Option number A says, see, we can write it in this format if when 4 divided by 5 and when 7 divided by 5, if they both give same remainder, right? So we say remainder here will be 4 and here it will be 2, that is not same. So this is incorrect. Now option number B, it says when 118 is divided by 5 and when we divide 18 by 5, then do we get the same remainder? Let's check out. Here we will get the remainder 3 and here also we will get the remainder 3. So this can be written in this format. So this option is correct. Let's check the other options also. Option number C, it says if we divide 110 by 12 and if we divide 93 by 12, do we get same remainder? Here we will get 2 and here we will get 9. So these are different. Similarly in option number D, let's see. When we divide 63 by 11 and when we divide 9 by 11, here the remainder is 9 and here the remainder will be 8. So these are different. So this is also incorrect. So correct answer is option number B. Next, question number 52 says, let A and B give same remainder when divided by n. A dash B dash also gives same remainder when divided by n. And D, M belong to natural number minus 1. Then which of the following is or are necessarily correct? See, this is the property of moduli that if we add A and A dash, then also they will give same remainder as B and B dash. So this is correct. This is true for multiplication also. So this is also correct. Also when power is taken, then also we will get the same remainder. These are the properties of moduli. Also, let's talk about option number D. See, when we divide A and B by D, let us say D is not a factor of A. So if D is not a factor of A, then here we will not get a natural number. So how can we say it? So this option is definitely incorrect. So answer is A, B and C. Next is question number 53. It says when 5x is divided by 7, then we get the same remainder when 2 is divided by 7. Now when 2 is divided by 7, then the remainder is 2. So we say that 5x minus 2 should be divisible by 7. Now let us assume x is equal to 7 lambda plus mu, where mu can be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, right? So let's put it back. So we have 5 into x, that is 7 lambda plus mu minus 2. This is equal to 35 lambda plus 5 mu minus 2. Now this should be divisible by 7. Now this is always divisible by 7, which means that 5 mu minus 2 should also be divisible by 7. Now let's put mu equal to 0. So we get minus 2, that is not divisible by 7. When we put mu equal to 1, we see 3 is also not divisible by 7. Similarly, put mu equal to 2, we will get 8, that is also not divisible by 7. Similarly, you will put mu equal to 3, 4, 5 also, they will also not be divisible. So when we put mu equal to 6, so we get 30 minus 2, that is 28. That is definitely divisible by 7. So we can say that value of mu is equal to 6. So from here we can say x is equal to 7 lambda plus 6. Now from the given options we have to find the incorrect statement. See, x is of this format, which means that when we divide x by 7, then we will get the remainder as 6. This is the only thing that we can say. So from the given options we can see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is given in option number B. Here it is given that when x is divided by 7, then we get remainder as 6. So option number B is correct, and all the other ones are incorrect. So our answer is A, C and D. Next paragraph, it says that if any point of the closed interval alpha to beta is a sample point and any point of the closed interval A to B is a subset of alpha comma beta be a favorable point for the event E, then the probability of the event E is length of A to B, that is the favorable case, divided by length of alpha to beta, that is the sample space. This is known to everyone. Let's start with the question number 54. It says if P is chosen at random from the interval 0 to 6. So this is the sample space. Then the probability that the roots of the equation x square plus px plus 1 by 4 times p plus 2 equal to 0 will be real is, roots will be real if discriminant is greater than equal to 0, that is p square minus p plus 2 is greater than equal to 0, that is p square minus p minus 2 is greater than equal to 0. So we can see that p equal to minus 1 is the root of this equation. So this can be written as p plus 1 into p minus 2 is greater than equal to 0, which means that p belongs from minus infinity to minus 1 union 2 to infinity. As it can be seen that p can take values from 0 to 6 only. So from here we can say p belongs from 2 to 6. Now we have to find the probability. Probability will be equal to, as given here, length of A to B, that is length of 2 to 6, that is 6 minus 2, that is 4, divided by length of 0 to 6, that is 6 minus 0, that is 6. So this is 2 by 3. So correct answer is option number D. Next is question number 55, which say if a point P is chosen inside a circle of radius 10 units, then the probability that point is at greater distance from the center as compared to circumference is. Let us say this is another circle. Let us say this is radius. So as this is R, so let's take here R by 2. So if we take any point in this region, then its distance from circumference is less than its distance from center, right? So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So required probability will be equal to area of the shaded region, that is area of whole circle, that is pi r square, minus area of the inner circle, that is pi r by 2 square, divided by area of large circle, that is pi r square. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So this is given to be equal to m. So we can say option number A is incorrect, option number B is correct. Option number C says that m is a root of this equation. If it is root of this equation, then it will satisfy it. Let's check out. 4 into 9 by 16 minus 7 into 3 by 4 plus 3. This is definitely equal to 0. So it is a root of this equation. So option number C is correct. Now let's check option number D also. Square root of m square plus 1, that is equal to 5 by 4. Let's check 5 by 4 is satisfying this equation or not. So we have 4 into 25 by 16 minus 7 into 5 by 4 plus 3. This is definitely not equal to 0. So this is not a root of this equation. So only answer is B and